Test 1. Chapter 1 and 2, problem number 5. Find the second derivative. Well, first derivative is chain rule. So that f prime is 2 times the blob to the 1 times the derivative of the blob. So this is 2x cubed plus 1, which is 2 times 2x cubed plus 1 times the derivative of 2x cubed plus 1, which is just 6x. So there's f prime. That's the first derivative. From here, what I would do personally, because this is to the 1 power, I would simplify. Six times 2 is 12 times x times 2x cubed plus 1. This is to the 1 power, so I can simplify some more. This is 24 x to the 4th minus or plus 12x. So that would be f prime. So f double prime would then be 24, this would be 16, 8 and 1's 9, 96x cubed plus 12.
Would that 6x be 6x squared?
Probably. Let me see. 6x squared, yeah. That makes life a little harder. So that would be a square. That makes this to the 5th power. And then this would be a square. That makes this guy, that's a bigger number, dang it. And that's now to the 4th. See how easy it is? 2012. 120x to the 4th, and then this would be 24x. Give you extra credit for that. Now, if you chose, by the way, I'm going to take a separate sheet of paper, to leave this as your first derivative, which is then what you have to do, then it becomes product rule. So that f double prime would be the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Which would be then 2 times the derivative of this guy would be 6x squared times 6x squared plus 2 times 2x cubed plus 1 times the derivative of the 6x squared, which would be 12x. And then personally, I would leave it that way. Oh, yeah. You can do all kinds of combining if you want to. But personally, I would leave it that way. That would be a personal preference. But if you choose to leave it like this, then that's product rule. So if I had to do a second derivative, I'd look to see if I could simplify it first. But if all else fails, go in full bore. Because you can just leave it that way, which would be fine.